wait, stop!
What?
You look just like Tom Hanks right now.
Tom Hanks?
Wait, hold still. Can you kind of see what I mean?
I don't see it. Look, will you stop taking pictures of me with this thing on? Come on, man.
You know what? I think I was wrong. You look like Hugh Jackman. That's what it is.
Huh? Dude, will you just stop?
I'm actually getting chills because you look like one of my favorite singers right now. Seal.
Really? Seal is one of your favorite singers?
Yeah.
You know what? I don't even know who you are anymore, man. Bullshit!
Jean-Claude Van Damme.
Oh no. No, not while I'm in the shower, dude, come on! You know, ever since we've been wearing speedos, you've been acting like a real asshole.
You know who you really look like right now?
Who? Who do I look like now?
Neve Schulman.
Really?
You know, the host of Catfish?
Yeah, I know who he is, dude. It's only like my favorite show. Plus, he's incredibly handsome, so thank you.
All right, let me take a picture. My battery died.
You know what? It's okay, let's go home and get out of these things, all right? It's been a long day.
Ooh la ooh la la, ni mele mele.